Imagine that you're in a crowded business mixer in Miami. How do you stand out in the room? And this is for Rick.
Thank you for that. I've been to many business events here in Miami, and the first rule of going to any of these events is believing that you're going to have a great time. Because as soon as you come in and you start judging everyone, it's not going to be the networking that you're looking for. So the first part is you got to feel at your best. That way, as soon as you meet someone, they feel that energy. For me, it's something I love. I love meeting people. I love learning about new people. It comes very easy to me because I want to meet you. And that's the trick. If you don't love people, but you do need to network, try to become interested in people. Because you can tell the world about what your offer is, but are they going to remember you? And the only way someone remembers you is if you make a connection. And a connection is when someone looks at you and says, I like that person. When you get that, I like that person, you're all good. And that's the key. The second part would be everyone's very caught up in the fact that they met someone. Okay, you met 5 people, you meet 10 people. I have a very specific rule. Every time I meet someone, I grab that contact information and I email it to myself immediately. Because in the night, you're going to forget about all these little interactions. But Monday morning, when you get in the office and you're staring at your email screen, it's going to have everybody you met right there. And it's going to allow you to send them a follow-up message, and a lot of business can happen from that. Thank you.